What are you doing?
Hi.
Oh, hi. What are you doing? Is it getting bedtime? Where's the rooster? Where's the rooster? Where's the rooster? Okay, fine. Can you sing? Can you sing? Oh my goodness, funny girl. Who's bad? Are you bad? Hi. Are you ready for bed? Are you ready to go to bed? Come here. Come here. Hi. What are you doing? Are you having a party? Sing Twinkle Twinkle. Sing. Sing. Twinkle Twinkle little star. Old MacDonald had a farm, and on his farm he had a puppy. E-I-E-I-O, with a here and a there, here, there. You're crazy. You're crazy. What do you want? Hi. What are you doing? Hi. Where's your big wings? Peekaboo. Peekaboo. You're crazy. Where are you going? Huh? Where are you going? Show me your big wings. Big wings. Show me how pretty you are. Show me. Big wings. Where's your big wings? No? Do you know it's almost bedtime? It's almost bedtime. Are you dancing? Ooh, you're dancing. Dance. Can you dance? No more dancing? You're all done? You're all done dancing? Hello? Hi, Benny girl. Okay. Are you ready to go to bed? Are you ready to go to bed? Huh? Ready to go night-night? Wow. You're crazy. You're crazy. Are you crazy, bird? I think you got two songs mixed together. Sing! Are you going to have a party? Can you party? Good girl. Okay, goodbye now. Goodbye now. Hi, Ruby Tuesday. Where's the bat bird? Huh? Where's the bat bird? Are you ready to go to bed? It's bedtime. Everybody's all noisy. Bat bird, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Bat bird. Where's the bat bird? The bat bird. Hello? Hello? You're crazy. Oh my goodness. Bat bird, bat bird. Are you swinging, bat bird? Do you think you're a bat? Huh? You upside down birdie. Ruby thinks she's a bat. Woo-hoo. You guys need to be quiet. Jamie's going to bed. Hi, Hanson. Hi, Hanson. Say hello. Nothing. Okay, then. Say bye-bye.